A cyclic process ABCA is performed as shown in the figure. The change is represented on VT diagram. AC, AB are parallel to V and T axis. Then correct representation of the change on PV diagram will be how much? From this we want PV diagram. So A to B, I can see P is constant because V is directly proportional to T diagram. So A to B, we are seeing that P is constant and volume is increasing. So A to B graph will be like this, parallel to volume axis. P is constant where volume is increasing, इसलिए arrow is going from A to B. Then B to C, volume is constant. Volume is constant here. B to C volume is constant. B to C volume is constant. Then C to A, temperature is constant. Temperature constant means it is called isotherm. C to A, temperature constant and volume is decreasing. So this must be the required graph converted from VT. C. Pen है क्या? Pen है क्या? Hello, completed? Completed this one?
हाँ सर
29. In an isophoric process. What is meaning of isobaric process? Isobaric process means pressure is constant. Then delta Q upon delta U is how much? For isobaric process, heat supplied is N times Cp dt and internal energy is NCV dt. So dt dt N cancel, we get Cp upon Cv, which we know it is called adiabatic constant denoted by gamma. So gamma is to 1. Option D, gamma is to 1. Next, 30th. The gas law PV equal to RT is true for, if I say PV equals to RT, that means here number of mole is 1. This is ideal gas equation for 1 mole. This is ideal gas equation for 1 mole. Ideal gas equation is valid for any type of change. It's valid for any change. So both isothermal as well as adiabatic सब के लिए, दोनों के लिए valid है. 30 का C. Done? Hello? Completed?
Yes, sir.
Completed, no? 38?
Yes, sir.
31. Two containers of equal volume contain same gas at pressure P1, P2, temperature T1, T2. When we join the vessel, they are same volume earlier. When we join the vessel, gas reaches a common pressure P and temperature T. Then ratio P by T equals to how much? Pressure P by T is how much? Any idea what we can think? Two vessels, same volume, joined together.
तो मतलब उसका वॉल्यूम ऐड होगा ना?
क्या बोल रहे हैं?
उसका वॉल्यूम ऐड हो सकता है.
हाँ, वॉल्यूम ऐड हो गया ना, टोटल वॉल्यूम 2 भी हो गया, बराबर. रिजल्टेंट वॉल्यूम 2V, रिजल्टेंट प्रेशर P, रिजल्टेंट टेम्परेचर T. ऐसा हो गया. अभी कनेक्ट करना है अपने को इसको P1 P2 V1 T1 P2 T1 T2 को कनेक्ट करना है. मतलब कुछ तो ऐड सब्ट्रैक्ट डिवाइड होएगा तो ही आ जाएगा, बट फाइनल जिधर है वो P T
ऐड
H.
होगा सर.
हाँ, क्या
सर ऐड होगा ना?
नहीं, वॉल्यूम ऐड होएगा ना, फाइनल वॉल्यूम 2V हो गया.
ओके.
प्रेशर डायरेक्टली ऐड नहीं होता है ना, उसको तो कुछ रूल होएगा. मुझे एक आइडिया आ रहा है. टोटल नंबर ऑफ मोल इज N1 plus N.
हाँ वो.
सो इफ आई यूज दैट तो मुझे रिलेशन मिल जाएगा बराबर. नंबर ऑफ मोल टोटल इज फर्स्ट का मोल प्लस सेकंड का मोल. गैस का टाइप सेम, गैस का वजन सेम नहीं बोला है, तो नंबर ऑफ मोल ऐड कर दिया, दे कैन बी एडेड. दिस इज नथिंग बट PV अपॉन RT ना, नंबर ऑफ मोल.
यस सर.
Number of mole is PV upon RT by ideal gas equation. Yes, Divina followed?
Yes, sir.
Final pressure is P, temperature is T, but volume they are telling 2V. They are not telling
Sir,
it will get added and become 2V. This is P1, P1, P2, T2. Now throughout V I can cancel. Throughout R I can cancel. So pressure P upon T final wala, this 2 will come here. 1 upon 2 inside the bracket P1 upon T1 plus P2 upon T2. Just check anywhere this option is there.
B,
हाँ कौन सा है ऑप्शन
B.
बी? ओके ट्राई. देखो ये चैप्टर केमिस्ट्री जैसा है तो आपको मेरे से ज्यादा आना चाहिए. 31 बी. So whenever mixing of gas comes, remember that number of mole will get added. Completed? Yes, completed full. Yes. 10 moles. 10 moles. N is 10 of an ideal gas at constant temperature of 600 Kelvin is compressed from 100 liter to 100 liter to 10 liter. The work done in the process will be. First of all, will it be negative or positive? Any idea? Will it be negative or positive? Hello?
Positive.
Volume is decreasing, then work done has to be negative. तो ये तो फिक्स है, नेगेटिव होएगा. एक ही नेगेटिव रहेगा. डोंट सी ऑप्शन, डायरेक्टली मार्क. एक ही है क्या? नहीं, दो है. सो वी हैव टू सॉल्व. फॉर आइसोथर्मल प्रोसेस, if you are remembering, I proved this formula. W is NR 2.303 NRT log of V2 upon V1 or NRT natural log of V2 upon V1. This we have done the proof. So 2.303, N is 10, R is 8.314 into T is 600 Kelvin log of V2. V2 is 10, V1 is 100. So 2.303 into 8.314 into 6 into 10 raised to 3, and this will be log of 10 raised to minus 1. That is, minus 1 will come here, minus 1 into 2.303 into 8.314 into 6 into 10 raised to minus 3 log of 10. What is log of 10 to the base 10? Ishika, log of 10 to the base 10?
1.
1. So this part will become 1. Now we have to multiply. 6 into 2 is 12. Okay? 6 into 2 is 12. Hello? Hello? हेलो.
हाँ सर.
तो ये 6 और इसको 2 समझा तो 12 हो गया, और इसको 9 समझता हूँ थोड़ा ज्यादा. 12 into 9 is 108. तो अपना आंसर 10 से ऊपर आएगा. सो इट इज माइनस ऑफ 10 से ऊपर 11.4 है into 10 raised to, say 6 8s are 48. You can think 48 is like 50. 50 into 2 is 100. So answer is 11.4 into 10 raised to 4. 11.4 into 10 raised to 4 joule. Again, see how 6 6 8s are 48. 50 ले लो. 52 into 100. 100 मतलब 10 लिया तो into 10 raised to 1, और ये 10 raised to 3 के साथ 1 ऐड होके 10 raised to 4. Therefore option is D.
Done, sir.
Come to next sum. Next, sum number 33. Monoatomic gas does work of 100 joule when it is expanded isobarically, that is pressure is constant. The heat given to the gas during the system will be how much? It is monatomic gas. At constant pressure, heat given to the system when expanded isobarically is how much? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
For monatomic gas, heat supplied at constant pressure we want. Right now I know for monatomic gas, Cp is equals to 5 by 2R and Cv is 3 by 2R and work done is given. Now work done is 100. Can you tell what is work done in terms of PV or NRDT? Work done is NRDT. So wherever you get NRDT, you can substitute value of work done. Heat supplied at constant pressure is N time Cp into dt. Both important sum. N I don't know. Dt I don't know. Cp I know. It is 5 by 2 R. Now wherever I see N R dt, I can put that is work done. So it is 5 by 2 times work done, which is 100. 150. 250 joule. है क्या option 250 joule? Yes, B option is 250 joule. Just check whether are you following that Cp Cv ka value we have done in kinetic theory of gas.
Ah, sir.
So please remember, very important chapter. Only chance is there since you have done KTG long back, you might not be remembering. Once you complete, then tell fast so that I can move ahead.
Done, sir.
Okay. .34. A PV diagram represents three spatial process. Three process. A PV diagram is representing a three process. As shown in the figure, Q1, Q2 are heat transferred to the gas in process 1, 2, 3 respectively. We want a relation. One. This is IF, initial and final position. First one is like this. First, going from initial and final position. This is given 500 Kelvin, 700 Kelvin. And then initial to final third process is this. Then initial to final along the same graph, this one. Second one. Here volume is V and this final volume is 2. In PV graph, area under graph is called as work done. हाँ आर्यन क्या हो गया?
सॉरी सर वो बात
Area under graph is work done in PV graph. But they are telling heat, not work done. 1 to 2. First process, process 1 is which process? Isobaric, no?
यस सर
Pressure constant, isobaric. Isobaric का heat transfer is internal energy plus work done. Both रहता है ना? Change in internal plus work done.
यस सर
Isobaric. And for process 2, सबका initial final same है. मतलब अगर initial final are on the two different graph, तो उसका वर्क डन इंटरनल एनर्जी सेम आएगा बिकॉज टेम्परेचर डिफरेंस विल बी सेम. प्रोसेस 2 में यू कैन सी क्लियरली इट इज आइसोथर्मल चेंज. कैन यू सी इट इज आइसोथर्मल?
यस
आइसोथर्मल का डेल्टा यू 0 होता है ना, तो Q2 विल बी इक्वल्स टू वर्क डन. ओके, हेलो.
हाँ सर
और प्रोसेस 3 इज आइसोकोरिक.
वॉल्यूम
Isocoric means volume is constant. So Q3 is only change in internal energy. Volume is constant, so work done will be 0. अब ये तीन में तो मुझे दिख रहा है Q1 ग्रेटेस्ट है, बराबर.
Q1 ग्रेट कर गया फिर Q2 और फिर Q3
Q1 ग्रेटेस्ट ये तो समझा, अभी Q2 Q3 समझ जाए ना. चेंज इन इंटरनल एनर्जी ये 200 का चेंज है. और वर्क डन इस एरिया अंडर ग्राफ होता है. प्रेशर तो 10⁵ में होएगा,
यस
तो कौन सा ज्यादा होने वाला है, Q2 क्या Q3?
Q3 सर
हाँ,
Q2 ना
आइसोथर्मल प्रोसेस, ये थर्ड वाला केस, देर इज नो वर्क डन. एरिया अंडर ग्राफ तो 0 ही है इसका. हीट इज सप्लाइड एट कांस्टेंट वॉल्यूम, तो उसका फॉर्मूला होता है एन सी वी डी टी, बराबर, एट कांस्टेंट वॉल्यूम. हेलो.
हाँ सर
और कांस्टेंट प्रेशर होता है एन सी पी डी टी, तो बड़ा कौन सा होएगा? सेकेंड वाला कांस्टेंट प्रेशर, फर्स्ट वाला कांस्टेंट प्रेशर. आइसोथर्मल बड़ा है कि आइसोकोरिक, कोई समझना है अपने को बस. Isothermal will be large as compared to isocoric because work done में प्रेशर आता है, प्रेशर में वेल पावर 10⁵ होता है. Are you getting me what I'm saying?
यस सर
So Q1 is greater than Q2, Q2 is greater than Q3. 34th. Q1 greater than Q2 greater than Q3, that is B option. Next 35.
डन सर
35 35 डायग्राम इज अनक्लियर, तो आज के लिए इसको रुकाता हूँ, नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में वो डायग्राम चेक करके देन विल स्टार्ट 36 we are doing. A fixed mass of gas undergoes changes of pressure and volume as shown in the figure. इसका फिगर नहीं दिख रहा, 36। चलो 36 भी अभी मैं 2 मिनट में वापस इसका डायग्राम लास्ट से मांगा के करता हूँ, दिया नहीं डायग्राम। 37th, in a cyclic process shown in the figure, an ideal gas PV diagram, cyclic process, ideal gas is adiabatically taken from A to B. For adiabatic, dq or heat is 0, taken from A to B adiabatically. From B to A it is taken adiabatically. Work done B to A adiabatically, so heat is 0. Work done during the on the gas, work done on the gas during process B to A is 30 on the gas, therefore it is minus 30. When gas is taken from A to B, the heat absorbed by the gas is 20. Heat absorbed means plus 20. The change in internal energy in the process, change in internal energy in the process from A to B will be how much? From first case, dq is du plus work done. Adiabatic, so 0. Internal energy I don't know. Work done is minus 30. So internal energy will become plus 30. For second case, q is du plus work done. A to B, we want what is internal energy. Okay. Only internal energy they want. Heat absorbed is 20. What is internal energy? Heat absorbed is 20. What is internal? For cyclic process, what is meaning of cyclic? If you start from B, you are going to A, coming back to B, na? This is cyclic process.
Yes, sir.
मतलब you started from one position, came back to the same position. So what is net change in internal energy? 0 होता है ना?
0.
So U B to A plus U from A to B total मिलके 0 होना चाहिए. हेलो?
हाँ सर.
अभी B to A गया तो इंटरनल एनर्जी कितना मिला हम लोग को? 30 मिला है ना? ये A मतलब फ्रॉम B to A वाला है ना केस?
Yes, sir.
तो 30 मिला. 30 plus U from A to B should be 0. So what is answer? U A to B minus 30.
Minus 30.
Because they wanted internal energy. So first का internal energy plus second का internal energy should be 0. It is cyclic process. So ये नहीं लिखेंगे तो भी चलता था. But I just read the question and wrote and then started solving. For cyclic process, what is 0? Hello? For cyclic process, what is 0? For cyclic process, what is 0?
Internal energy.
Change in internal energy is 0. Now solve. Solve properly. To complete, tell me fast.
Done, sir.
Okay. Sum number 38. Ideal gas is taken through the process as shown. Ideal gas is taken through the process as shown. This is A, B, pressure, temperature. Going from A to B. ये कौन सा प्रोसेस है? कैन यू टेल what is this process in the diagram? Is the temperature constant?
No, sir.
इसको टेम्परेचर कांस्टेंट ही बोलते हैं. टेम्परेचर कांस्टेंट है. पीटी ग्राफ में टेम्परेचर कांस्टेंट तो आइसोथर्मल है ना प्रोसेस ही. From the graph we can make out temperature constant, process is isothermal. Then work done is positive. Pressure is increasing or decreasing?
Increasing.
Pressure is increasing. Work done is positive or negative then if pressure increases?
Positive, sir.
ध्यान, प्रेशर इंक्रीज तो वॉल्यूम डिक्रीज होता है ना कांस्टेंट टेम्परेचर पे, तो वर्क डन निगेटिव होगा ना.
अरे हाँ.
देखो ये चैप्टर में कुछ नहीं है, खाली वो 3-4 पीवीटी का रिलेशन समझ जाए. टेम्परेचर कांस्टेंट, आइसोथर्मल. सो प्रेशर इज इंक्रीजिंग, वॉल्यूम इज डिक्रीजिंग. वॉल्यूम डिक्रीजेस मतलब वर्क डन निगेटिव. वो लोग ने बोला है वर्क डन पॉजिटिव, ए वाला. सो दैट इज नॉट ट्रू. इंटरनल एनर्जी इंक्रीजेस. इशिका, यू हैव टू आंसर मी नाउ. इशिका
हाँ सर.
बोलो अभी क्या होगा इसमें. इंटरनल एनर्जी, टेम्परेचर कांस्टेंट है तो Anushka, what about you? Temperature constant, change in internal energy. Divina, what about you? Temperature constant, change in internal energy. Right or wrong? Something please say. Arya? Yes, Arya? Arya, can you hear me? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
But when temperature is constant, what is change in internal energy? फिर क्या कुछ पढ़ा ही नहीं किया, फिर ऊपर से बोल रहे कि थर्मोडायनामिक्स पेपर का टेस्ट नहीं दिया, हम लोग वो लिखने वाले थे. Arya, you can hear me? Arya? Arya, you can hear me? Anushka? Anushka, you can hear? Hello? 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 Divina, you can hear? Ishika, you can hear?
हाँ सर.
तो बाकी लोग डम्ब हो गए क्या? डेफ डेफ हो गए लगता है. When temperature is constant, Ishika, you said the answer. Temperature is constant. What about internal energy? Does it
हाँ
increases or
constant
decreases?
या फिर जीरो होगी.
Yes, because internal energy depends upon temperature. If temperature is constant, change in internal energy is zero. So second option बोला है, second option बोला है internal energy increases. Wrong. Internal energy neither increases nor decreases. So this is wrong. Internal energy increases is wrong.
तो ऑप्शन सी सही है ना फिर,
So
because the
अपना
work done is not positive and negative.
C option is correct. Work done is negative. 38. Work done negative. Option is correct. हाँ आर्यन क्या बोल रहे थे आप?
Same thing, sir. सर एक मिनट रुकिए, एक मिनट बाकी थोड़ा सा.
What? (39) diagram. PV diagram is given. Find what is work done in the process. A pressure is given, volume is given. At two condition, find work done. Work done is area under graph. Area under graph means this whole thing. So this is trapezium. So it will be half of sum of parallel side. One side is this. This total distance is 6 into 10 raised to 5. And this distance is 4 into 10 raised to 5. Perpendicular distance is 2. 2 to cancel. 6 and 4, 10 into 10 raised to 5. That is 10 raised to 6 joule. 10 raised to 6 joule, option B. 39, option B. Sum number 40. Two samples A and B of gas at same initial temperature and pressure are compressed from V to V by 2 isothermally. Compressed isothermally. And in B case, adiabatically. This is for A, and for B, V to V by 2 adiabatically. So one is isothermal, other is adiabatically. Then the final pressure of A will be, we want to find pressure relation between A and B. So in first case for A, because it is isothermal, PA VA will be equals to, they want final pressure is there. So P1 V1 is P2 V2. P1, V1 is V, P2 we want V by 2. Therefore, P2 is double of P1 in case A, which is isothermal. Second is adiabatic. For adiabatic, we know PV raised to gamma is constant and gamma is greater than 1. So for adiabatic, PV raised to gamma is constant. PV raised to gamma is constant for second one. That means for B, which is adiabatic. So P1 V raised to gamma is P2 V2 raised to gamma. P1 into P1 is V, V2 is V by 2 raised to gamma. That will become P1 V raised to gamma, P2 V raised to gamma, 2 raised to gamma, cancel. Therefore, P2 is P1 2 raised to gamma. So 2P1 is greater or 2 raised to gamma P1 is greater? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
2 raised to gamma is greater or smaller as compared to 2? Two raised to gamma is smaller or greater as compared to 2. If this somebody
Greater.
knows the answer, greater. So final pressure of B is greater than A. Check where is this option given? Final pressure of B is greater than A. Pressure of A is less than that of B. So option C. A is less than A. A is less than that of B.
Then, sir.
Done. Okay. Sum number 41. Ideal gas changes the state from A to B. Diagram is given on the right hand side, PT diagram. Tell the answer by thinking. Ideal gas goes from A to B as shown in the figure. Work done by the process is 0 by the gas is 0, positive, negative, infinite. Can you see from that graph if something is constant? What is constant from the graph?
Volume.
Correct. If volume is constant, what is work done? 0. So answer is 0. Write down reason. Since volume is constant, therefore work done is 0. (42) an ideal gas is taken from A to B, B to C, then C to A. The net heat supplied to the gas is 5 joule. Then work done by the gas in the process C to A will be how much? Take 2 minutes and check whether you can manage. PV graph है. See, sum is oral. What is this process? Cyclic process or non-cyclic?
cyclic, sir. Internal energy is 0.
If cyclic, then we all know internal energy is 0. Correct. Total heat supplied दिया है क्या?
So the answer is -5 watt.
Maybe. और कुछ रिलेशन आएगा नहीं, या तो -5 होगा, +5 तो दिया नहीं है. वापस देखो. I got total energy is 0. Internal energy is 0. Heat supplied is given 5. अभी A to B process is isobaric और isochoric. Hello, A to B is which process? Isobaric, isochoric?
Isobaric.
Isobaric. That means there will be some work done.
Yes, sir.
B to C, what is work done? 0, because volume is constant.
Yes, sir.
So A
Sir,
to
it
B
is
वाला work,
-5.
A to B वाला work plus C to A वाला work मिलके होना चाहिए 5, बराबर?
यस
अभी ए से बी कितना वर्क है? ए से बी टेन है ना, पी डीबी है ना, वो पी इज 10 एंड डीबी इज 1,
हाँ सर
तो 10 है ना 10। अगर वो 10 है और टोटल 5 है तो C2A -5 चाहिए ना अपने को,
हाँ
तो आंसर आ गया -5। एक सबको समझा लॉजिक पहले?
हाँ
बिकॉज
सर
बिकॉज इट इज साइक्लिक, तो इंटरनल एनर्जी तो गया जीरो। नाउ Q इज टोटल वर्क डन, so 5 is total work done. A to B का done work done 10 plus C2A is suppose X is 5. So X is 5 minus 10. Therefore X equal to -5. -5 is absolutely correct one. -5 is correct. -43. This one you all have completed, na? Hello? Hello?
यस सर
Completed till this, na?
हाँ सर हो गया
अभी एक काम करो, आप लोग पहले प्लानर लिखो। अक्टूबर प्लानर, thermodynamics, KTG plus radiation. These two chapters test on Sunday with MCQ. Thermodynamics, KTG and radiation test on Sunday with MCQ. That means इसका theory paper रहेगा और इसका ही MCQ paper रहेगा. So that you are not doing new chapter. This is for this Sunday. This Sunday date will be I think 11th October 2020. 11 and 7 will become 18. 18, 10, 2020. Test on electrostatics plus current electricity. Again theory plus MCQ. 25, 10, 2020. Rotational dynamics and oscillation. Theory plus MCQ. So 1, 2, 3. Can I clear this?
यस सर
Now how to study for this? Today is Monday. Thermodynamics MCQ. MCQ from sheet. शीट में शायद 25 से चालू है ना. Test started. Thermodynamics. It is from 20 till 40. ये MCQ प्रैक्टिस करना है. Tuesday, theory of thermodynamics. In theory of thermodynamics, start with all process. Total there are 6 process. All process, that is isochoric process, isobaric, isothermal, all process वाला part. Isochoric, isobaric, isothermal, adiabatic, cyclic process. और कौन सा था? Isochoric, isobaric, isothermal, adiabatic, cyclic process. Any other process?
हाँ सर, वो आर से को था ना,
हाँ?
आर से.
R, reversible process.
हाँ 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 हाँ.
Reversible and irreversible process. इतने ही था ना?
हाँ सर, इतना ही था.
ये process and this 20 MCQs. Please practice till Tuesday. Then I will ask you orally how much you have done. Then Wednesday and Thursday I will give you work. So that's all for today. Sunday's test I have given you. 3 tests I have given you timetable. Please be alert. That much if you are doing, that means actually you are planning for your final exam. Can I clear this now?
Yes sir.
So that's all for today.